Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can secure your Money Manager budgeting application by using a passcode. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Money Manager budgeting app on your device and you will directly be taken into the transactions page. From here, click on the more icon at the bottom right corner and you will see the passcode option. You can click on this, or you will also find this option within configuration when you scroll a little bit down. After tapping on the passcode option, if you have not set a passcode yet, you will be asked to enter your desired passcode. Once you have entered your desired passcode, you will be asked to enter it once again. Once you enter it for the second time, you will now see the passcode icon now looks like a lock. So this means that now your application and your data is protected by a passcode. If you exit the application and then open it up once again, you will now be asked for your passcode. You can also use your fingerprint to enter your passcode for a shortcut, or you can enter the PIN itself. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add a passcode onto the Money Manager budgeting app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.